Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some news on an unreleased Redmi smartphone. Our source says that this smartphone is codenamed Cezanne, which belongs to the K-series smartphones from Redmi, which is the company's flagship killer series. The phone is tipped to be equipped with MediaTek's latest flagship SoC, the Dimensity 1000 Plus, which means that the phone will have 5G support. The device is also said to come with an LCD display, with a 144Hz refresh rate. This makes it more of a gaming phone. The phone will pack a quad-camera setup, with Sony's IMX686 as the primary sensor. This is a 64-megapixel sensor, with an f1.9 aperture, a 1x1.72-inch sensor size, and a 0.8 micrometer pixel size. This setup is found in other K30 series smartphones too. To get an idea about the phone's performance, we can take a look at the Geekbench listing of the recently announced iQZ1. The iQZ1 also packs the Dimensity 1000 Plus. The multi-core scores puts the Dimensity 1000 Plus between the flagship SoCs out there, while trailing behind slightly when it comes to single-core scores. But this could mean that the Dimensity will be able to deliver enough performance at reasonable prices. To put that into perspective, the K30 Pro with the Snapdragon 865 is priced at 2,999 yuan, which is around $420, and the iQZ1, with the Dimensity 1000 Plus, is priced at 2,500 yuan, which translates to $350. Anyway, that's it for this video guys. Hope you liked it, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.